Hi students, welcome to Canvas. I'm going to give you a short orientation to basic navigation around your Canvas course. So when you log into Canvas, this is what you will see. Along the left, you have some choices. On the right side, you have a list of things to do. And in the middle, you have squares. These squares are called tiles. Every class that you are taking will have a tile. So here you can see I have 4 classes, so I have 4 tiles. So we're going to start along the left side here. And the place that is highlighted is the dashboard. So we're looking at the dashboard right now, just like the dashboard of your car. Okay? The choice above it, this is called Account. If you click on your account, here is where you can change things like your picture, your notifications, your settings. So this is your account information. Your next choice will give you a list of your courses. These are the same courses that you see in your tiles, but you also will probably have some past classes. The other important things to look at along the left are going to be your inbox and help. Okay. So inbox, that looks just like email, right? It works like email too. So if you click on your inbox, these are messages along the left. Maybe you don't have any messages yet, but you will. If you want to send a message, you're going to click right here where it says compose. Compose a new message. Then you will have to choose what class. So choose the class that you want to send your message for. Then, if you click on the side, it'll ask you if you want to send a message to your teacher. So you can click on Teachers, and it should have my name. That's one way to do it. Or you can just start to type my name, and it should pop up. So then you can click on my name. You always want to put a subject. What are you going to write about? Maybe you're going to say, sick today. Yeah? And then down here, you can write your message. Dear Erica, remember to use formal writing, right? So write a letter. Don't write a text message. So dear Erica, I am sick today. Please send the homework. Thanks. Min. Okay. When you're done, move this. You can hit the blue button to send. And there you go. It says message sent. So you will receive messages from me here, and this is where I would like you to send messages to me. Okay. So that's the inbox. The last important place I want to show you on the side is called Help. So if you click on Help, here it has different phone numbers to get help with Canvas. This is Canvas help, not class help. So here's the Leany number, 844-600-4955. You can call that to get help with Canvas. You also can send an email down here if you prefer to write your question. Okay. Of course, you can always contact your instructor for help with the class or some easier questions with Canvas. Okay. But usually, you will spend your time on your dashboard. So you want to find your class and click on that tile. Remember, the squares are called tiles. When you click on the tile, it will take you to the home page for that class. So here is my home page for my Reading and Writing 2 class. Okay. From here, you can go to different places. You can look at the syllabus for the class. You can look at your grades. You will learn about many things to do on Canvas, but I'm just going to show you the most important place, which is called modules. Down here, it says module, so you can click here. On the side, it says module, you can click here. These are two ways to go to the same place. What is a module? A module is a group of lessons. So, you can see right here, this is one module, the Student Orientation Resources and Support module. When you want to go inside the module to start doing some lessons, you click on the very first link. And when you want to continue to the next page, you hit Next. So when I move through a Canvas module, I click Next, Next, Next. Then I never miss anything. And it's much easier than going back to the module and clicking number 2 and back to the module clicking number 3. No, just keep clicking Next. So what do you do in a module? Many different choices. Sometimes in a module you will watch a video. If you watch a video, you press play.
Hello, Peralta.
And then you can listen and watch. When you watch a video, some good things to remember. You can turn on the captions. So that will turn on the writing so you can see and read at the same time. So just clicking there will bring on the captions. Also, if you look at this gear, when you click here, it also lets you change the speed. So here, playback speed, normal. If I want to play it a little bit slower, I can hit 0.75. Then when I play,
my name is Corey Hollis. This video will go over the steps that...
So now he's talking more slowly, right? So let's say I watch the whole video. Now I'm going to go next. Sometimes on Canvas, there will be things to read. Then you need to spend time to look and read and learn carefully. Once you get to the bottom, you can click Next and go to the next page. Also, sometimes on Canvas, you will see these blue links. See how my pointer turns into a finger, right? So I'm going to click on the link, and it's going to take me to a different page. So if you notice, up here, I have different tabs. Yeah. So I'm looking at this link, but when I'm finished, I want to go back where I was before. So I'm just going to click on my first tab, or I can close this tab. So then it's going to bring me back to my very first tab. Okay? That way I won't get lost. So these are some basics about getting around, navigating, finding things on Canvas. So I hope that helps. Good luck!